Hey sis, if you want to see how I do my twist out, stay tuned.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on the shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting old.
Okay, so to begin, I'm just rinsing out my conditioner. I've already shampooed my hair, and I sat with this conditioner in for about an hour to 2 hours. And so I'm just rinsing it out. Here's a close-up of my texture. I had to get it because it was popping. And again, I just proceed to rinse out my conditioner, and I'm doing it in sections, so you'll see me, use clips and clip back up and everything. It's just easier for me to rinse and shampoo and all that in sections, so that's what I'm doing here.
Yup.
After rinsing out the conditioner, I proceed to style my hair into the twist. Now I've already done most of my head, and so I'm just going to show you guys the front. I'm going to use leave-in conditioner, follow up with a moisturizer, and then my styler. And this time I used different products. Well, my styling product was different. I always use the Creme Nature Argan Oil, the spray leave-in conditioner, because I just love it. And I used their oil moisturizer, and then I followed that up with the curl jelly or something like that. I forget what it's called, but I'll name it in the description box below. And I mean, it was okay, but it didn't leave my hair moisturized, and it really didn't define my curls like I'm used to. I normally use the Shea Moisture Curling Enhancing Smoothie, which I should have used this time as well, but I learned from it. Now I'm just twisting normal 2-strand twists, and when I get to the middle, as you saw there, I like to brush out the ends just so they're smooth and there aren't any knots or tangles or anything like that. And then I proceed to twist all the way down, and I coil the end around my fingers just to make that curl at the end.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on the shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting old. So baby,
Now here's a close-up of that process so that you could see better. Just twisting, brushing to smooth and detangle more, and then twist all the way down and twirl it on your finger once more.
Yup.
So I did my twist on Friday night, and it is now Sunday afternoon, and I'm about to take them out. But before I take them out, I like to re-moisturize them. So I'll spray more leave-in conditioner on, put more moisturizer on, and then seal it with an oil. So I use the LCO method, leave-in cream oil. So I do that just to get it re-moisturized, because I don't like taking out dry twists, totally dry twists. I don't like that. I'm just working that all the way in, making sure that each twist is re-moisturized and get some moisture. And I'm gonna start unraveling from the back of my head to the front of my head. That's just easier for me to do it that way. And as you can see, there is a little bit of definition, but it's not as nearly as much as I'm used to. And my hair was very, very dry. Like, I put moisturizer on it, you guys saw, I put moisturizer, leave-in conditioner, but my hair was really, really dry still after that. And so here I'm about halfway done unraveling the twists. I think I have that one that I'm working on that's left in the middle, and then the front section. And so yeah, this product, I will not be using this product again. I don't know what happened. I thought, you know, using all the products within the same line would be great for my hair, but my hair didn't like that curl jelly, curl custard. I think it's curling custard. My hair just did not like it at all. And as you'll see in the next clip, it left a lot of flaking as well. So much flaking that I had to wash my hair. I couldn't even wear this style out. I had to wash it. So just proceeding to take them out. Here I'm showing you all of that flaking. It's just ridiculous. It was so much flaking. So my Twistout turned out, I mean, it's cute, but it has all of this flaking. That's what I get for using new products. I use this, which I hadn't used before, and I always use this, but I use the whole Creme Argan oil line, but I don't know, it didn't work out for me. So yeah, gotta rewash my hair. Probably just put it in a puff or something today. I don't know. I mean, it's cute, you know. The fur is cute until you look up close and you be like, girl, what's going on? But hey. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. I will definitely not be using that product anymore, and my next twist out will definitely be a success. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye.